Yeah, yeah. Oh, God, you scared the hell out of me.
I didn't mean to scare you. I have only been here 15 minutes, and you got that darn t-shirt.
I got the darn I didn't even get it. They passed 2 times.
What is the story with her, miss? What is the story? Tell us. Why did she get the tissue?
I must be allergic to you. Because I haven't gotten it but I've been here for 3 days.
As soon as I got here, that darn tissue came. What is that tissue gonna do for you? The train's going off the whistle. Do you blow your nose to the whistle?
Hey, Isabella, do me a favor. Tell Cheyenne we're leaving. Because I gotta go home.
Now you can get Mary.
For what?
All dressed up, as she said. You're all dressed up.
Miss, where'd you get this dragonfly?
You like the
Where'd
dragonfly?
you get the, what does this dragonfly symbolize, lady?
Oh, you don't know what it symbolizes?
Tell us. Tell us what that
A
dragonfly...
dragonfly is a dragon.
Yeah, I don't know what it symbolizes.
I think it wants
Well,
to
with
go
the
in...
dragonfly, they're very, when they mate,
Yeah,
it's a mate forever. You know, it mates forever. And once they lose that mate,
You're really going to make her
they
sneeze
don't
I'm all
now?
through.
another one.
You're really going to make her sneeze now?
Yeah, my sneezing spell has passed.
No, we're going. It's after 3 already.
It's 3.